Assalamu alaikum. My name's Aleem, and I've been building software for clients across the globe for the past almost 3 years now. And this is one key lesson that I've learned. Before writing a single line of code, or in your case, before touching a single code block, always plan out what you're going to do first. So I know that you're probably short on time in this code quest and you'd want to get started right away. But if you want to do something really fast, it's better to plan it out first and then do it. So step back, take a pen and paper, write down your plan of action, imagine your flow. And how I do this is like I picture a flow chart in my mind. So when I say a flow chart, I mean step by step, action by action. Just write down whatever you're going to do. And once you do that, then start typing and start coding. So that's like the key takeaway of this. Before writing a single line of code, before doing anything, plan it out first. You don't want to waste your time and you don't want to spend too much time debugging code that's buggy. So to have like the perfect logic, have it on paper first. It's super easy. Do not spend more than 5 minutes on this, but just write down your plan of action and then get started. Hopefully this would give you the boost that you need and the speed that you need to deliver these challenges on time.